Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best Venmo instant transfer hack. So let's quickly dive into it. If you want your Venmo money to hit your bank fast, there are a few legit tricks that makes instant transfer smoother and cheaper. First, always connect a debit card from a major bank. They process instant transfer more reliably than smaller regional banks. Keep your debit card information updated. Also reduce failed transfer, which saves time and avoid extra fee. And before sending money out, make sure your Venmo balance isn't tied up in pending transaction, since that can delay the transfer even if you choose instant. The second hack is timing. Instant transfer work best early in the day and on weekend. So when bank aren't overloaded, avoid late night or weekend transfer if you want the fastest result. And finally, only transfer what you need. Large amounts sometimes trigger extra review, and this simple habit can keep your instant transfer fast, clean, and stress-free. If this helped you, hit the like, subscribe, and tell me which Venmo topics you want me to cover next. And that's it.